Fujitsu Quaderno came out with a DPT white label back in 2019-2020. They made both a 13.3 and a 10.3 inch device respectively. This is the second generation. The box has been completely redesigned from a aesthetic appeal, not from a structural appeal. It's really the exact same box, but it is changed a little bit with some added specs on the side and a new slogan that says, "A part of your brain." If you guys are just joining us, you might not know that we saw these products earlier on this year, 2021, in Tokyo, Japan at a trade show. They are using the Linfini branded products that Sony were not supposed to pick up because they did pull out of the market, but Fujitsu most certainly picked up. Now, they didn't pick up the color one, they picked up the black and white one, the DPT 2.0, the one we saw on the event floor. So let's see what we have in here. We have the Quaderno A4 Gen 2, as it says right there, trying not to get it too confused with Gen 1 because it looks very similar when you look at the thing pretty much first time. The box is the same, everything seems very similar. We have some stuff on the inside here. Let's pour this out. Alright, we have some nibs. Now this time, again, if you're just joining us, they're using a WACOM screen. So you can use any stylus under the sun. The Remarkable stylus, the Lamy. This even has a specific collaboration with Lamy out of Germany. So that's really cool. So you get some nibs right there, and you get a USB-C cable. Yes, one of the advancements over the previous gen is the USB-C. Now this is exciting. Right here, this thing, because I've never seen this. On the trade show, they didn't have this specific pen. This will be the first time any of us are seeing it, and especially us. So what do we have here? This is a... Ooh. Wow, that's a very nice textured feel. It is a matte kind of feel. Now, you know what this is? Just looking at it, this is the exact same thing that Likebook, Boyu, and Onyx uses. However, it's a different color for the first time ever. I've never seen this color before. And the eraser, I believe, stands up a little bit higher, and the nibs are more Remarkable 2-esque nibs. We are going to dive in a little bit deeper, but this is just the absolute first time I've been seeing this. The lapel clip looks exactly the same. The texture is a little bit different, but yeah, the button's the same too, but it is their own pen as they're marketing it. And you have their user manual right here. Put that off to the side. If you lift the tray, you will get some user information printed on a very nice textured cardstock. That's really nice. And here is the unit itself. Fujitsu has always put their things in these nice cloth bags. They don't use plastic bags, they actually use these cloth ones, which is really cool. Now this unit is thinner and lighter, and it's running USB-C, and it's running a different WACOM layer, so there are a lot of advancements with this unit. The back is also different from the DPT. Now they did the same thing what they did on the Fujitsu first gen. They just put a sticker over all of the Linfini / Sony OEM stuff, because that is kind of what they were going for, but they did emboss their logo on the back, so that's really nice. On the top, you do have a very similar layout to the DPT. It is the power with status indicator, except this time it is replaced with USB-C, and you do have a reset button. You still get that stylus loop, that little, you know, you can use like a little loop, hold your stylus to it if you lose it, etc. So that's what they're doing there. You still have the ability to NFC card tap into this, because that's really the draw for the Fujitsu stuff, is that it's very secure, and for their employees you can actually tap in with an NFC card and you can access this unit. Now we do first time boot ups for two specific reasons. One, if we get a dud, we actually have to return this and then you wouldn't be seeing this video. And two, we have to see if there's different languages on here, and it does look like there is English. We're going to click next. So now we know it actually works. We can agree and proceed and continue on with the calibration. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Fujitsu Quaderno A4 second generation. This is continuing on the legacy of the 13.3 inch DPT line of devices. Fujitsu has taken the torch and is making it their own. Check out everything that comes in the box. Hit up our channel in the next couple days. We should have a review by then. For GoodyReader.com and an unboxing of the Quaderno Gen 2, this is Peter.